Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank the honourable member for this important question regarding the agent agreement between the Ministry of Local Government and the Japan International Cooperation System, or GICS, for the procurement of waste management equipment under the Japanese Economic and Social Development Program. Mr. Speaker, sir, waste management remains one of the most critical services delivered by municipal councils throughout Fiji. As urban population continues to grow and commercial activities expand, the demand for reliable, efficient, and environmentally responsible waste collection system has increased significantly. The government recognizes that improving municipal waste management is essential, not only for public health and environmental protection, but also for tourism, economic development, and the overall well-being of our communities. In this regard, Mr. Speaker, the Government of Japan, the Japan International Cooperation Agency, or commonly known as JICA, has continued to be a trusted and valued partner of Fiji for many years. Japan has consistently supported Fiji's municipal development efforts through technical assistance, grant aid, infrastructure support, and waste management programs that have directly benefited our municipal councils and ratepayers. Speaker, sir, a major milestone was recently achieved with the signing of the grant agreement between the Ministry of Local Governments and the Japan International Cooperation System on behalf of the Japan International Cooperation Agency for the procurement of heavy equipment and machinery to support all the 13 municipal councils in Fiji. This agreement was signed on the 11th of May, 2026. It is also the first time, Mr. Speaker, sir, that all municipal councils will be assisted through supply of heavy waste management machinery. This assistance initiative originated through consultations conducted by the JPRISM project team during visits to all 13 municipal councils under the Japan International Cooperation Agency supported JPRISM 3 project. During these consultations, municipal councils identified critical gaps and immediate needs in heavy machinery and operational equipment required to effectively address increasing solid waste management challenges within their respective jurisdictions. Following consultations between JICA, the Government of Japan, the proposal was favorably considered and approved, resulting in a grant allocation of approximately 12.5 million Fijian dollars for the procurement of solid waste management heavy machinery and equipment for Fiji's municipal councils. Mr. Speaker, sir, the support is expected to significantly strengthen operational capacity of councils in managing solid waste, improving safe delivery to communities, enhance environmental protection efforts, and contribute towards cleaner and healthier urban environment throughout Fiji. Cabinet approved the formal agreement between the International Cooperation System and the Ministry of Local Government has now been executed, enabling procurement arrangements to proceed. GICS is currently undertaking the procurement process in Japan for the supply of the approved equipment and machinery. And the Ministry of Local Government, as the executing agency on behalf of the Government of Fiji, has entered into arrangements under the grant agreement framework with JICA and appointed procurement agent, the Japan International Cooperation System, or GICS. Mr. Speaker, sir, the purpose of the agent agreement is to ensure that all procurement processes are conducted transparently, efficiently, in accordance with JICA's international recognized procurement standards and guidelines. Under this arrangement, the Japan International Cooperation System acts on behalf of the Government of Fiji to manage the procurement and acquisition process for the waste management equipment under the grant, or funded under the grant. This includes preparation of technical specifications, tender documentation and bidding processes, supply selection and evaluation, contract management, quality assurance and inspections, shipment coordination, financial administration and payments, and reporting and monitoring equipment. Mr. Speaker, sir, this mechanism ensures that proper governance, accountability, and value for money, the use of grant assistance provided by the people and the government of Japan. The Procurement Agreement further requires the establishment of a consultative committee comprising representatives from the Ministry of Local Government, the JICA Fiji Office, Embassy of Japan, and the appointed agent for the ICS. And this committee is tasked to oversee the implementation of the program, reviews progress, addresses operational challenges, and ensures the timely delivery and deployment of the equipment. Mr. Speaker, sir, under the agreement, the Government of Fiji also undertakes several obligations to support the successful implementation of the program. These include opening and managing the designated grant account, ensuring customs duty and tax exemptions for the imported equipment, and facilitating customs clearance and transportation, ensuring proper use of maintenance of the equipment, providing regular progress reports to JICA, and ensuring that donated equipment is utilized solely for municipal and non-commercial purposes. The Government of Fiji will acknowledge that several municipal councils continue to face operational challenges due to aging fleets, increasing maintenance costs, population growth, urban expansion, and rising waste generation level. Therefore, the current program, valued at approximately $12.5 million, is both timely and necessary. And the new fleet allocation for the 2025-2026 program has been carefully assessed in consultation with all municipal councils. Consideration has been given to population size, waste generation volumes, geographical coverage, operational demands, landfill management costs, and existing fleet conditions. And the Minister of Local Government, Speaker, will continue to work closely with JICA, GICS, municipal councils, and all relevant stakeholders to ensure the successful implementation of this program and the effective utilization of the equipment once delivered. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Allow me to respond to the question.
Thank you. I thank the Honourable Minister for Housing and Local Government. Honourable Member.